Good evening everyone, and yes, it's already evening on day 6 of our transatlantic crossing. Today I didn't really film during the day because we were just chilling and seeing and meeting some characters, and today it's actually pirate day, or actually pirate night. This morning I had the opportunity to go and see Pirate Stitch and Hook and Smee, and I'll put some little pictures here in the frame so you can have a little look. Didn't really film that, but we made some pictures, and they're really lovely. And this evening we are actually going to a pirate party, which will be on deck 11, which is the deck where the main pool is. So they cover the pool up, and then they've got a really nice stage, and then there's basically a show done by Mickey and his friends. And I didn't see it last year because I was actually really tired. The sea air always makes me really tired, so I decided this time around that I would have a really nice nap in the afternoon and skip the dinner. So I had a taco bowl really here in my cabin, and just had a little bath and got ready. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to do it this way because sometimes the restaurants make me a little bit tired as well because it's really loud. And I did that so I could go and watch the pirate show. So there's 2 pirate shows today, one at 7:15, which is in 15 minutes, and there's going to be one at 10:15. So the one in 15 minutes is kind of like the stage show, and then at 10:15 we should, weather permitting, hopefully, we should have some fireworks. We didn't have fireworks last year either, which was a little bit of a shame, but that had to do with some European regulations apparently. So we didn't see it back then, but that's okay. Yeah, of the time of filming this, and I haven't told anyone this yet, I've been keeping an eye out on the weather forecast and hurricanes and everything, because it's a special interest of mine. It doesn't look very good for us to actually get to Lookout Lighthouse Point at Lookout Key in the Bahamas. Something is stirring. We don't know what it's going to be. We don't know exactly which way it's going to go, but it looks like we might be playing hurricane dodgeball. So I am very positive that our captain will keep us safe, and we might actually have to pivot and do something else. So I don't know if that's going to be the case. Obviously the weather is very unpredictable, and we just have to take it as it comes. But tonight we're going to enjoy Pirate Night, so please come with me, and yeah, let's go and just enjoy it really. And then maybe have a drink after. We'll see how it goes.
Please welcome Mickey's Pirate Crew!
Pirates of the Caribbean, welcome to all you Disney Dream pirates! They'll fun too.
And last, but certainly not least, maybe the most charming of pirate endings, and the beautiful snacks tucked in Mickey's very heart. Let your cheers rock the sea for him, the fair pirate Minnie. Ahoy, mateys! Are you ready for pirate fun and adventure? We sure are, Minnie. Me too.
Avast, ye landlubbers! Prepare to be boarded! Abandon your stations or prepare to taste cold steel! Aye! Scatter, be me walking the plank!
Now arriving. Please give a big welcome to the new captain of the Sea Experiences, all the way from London, Captain.
Yes, it is I, the new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine. Mr. Speed, stethoscope.
Aye, Captain. All loose ends are tied up, so to speak. The ship is now yours to do with as you please. Enjoy.
Oh, I shall. What's the matter, former captain? That got your tongue?
Now listen here, Hook. You may have the upper hand.
Oh,
Hook. But this is our ship, and I intend to get it back with a captain's challenge.
lost that pirate turn. Oh, very well. The terms. If I win, you walk the plank.
Agreed.
And in the unlikely event that your crew succeeds,
We get the ship back. And you will lead, hearing all of us chant, Hook is a codfish, Hook is a codfish.
Hook is a codfish. Hook is a codfish. What? Too soon?
Do we have an agreement?
agreed.
Then I say, let the captain's challenge officially begin! Now remember, you are now all part of Mickey's pirate crew, so whatever the task be, make sure you do it loud and proud.
I know you can.
Mr. Speed, test this so-called pirate crew. Just one itsy-bitsy wrong answer, and he walks the plank.
Aye, Captain Hook. Look lively, you swabs. Now, the first thing any real pirate knows is that when a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, what do you say?
Aye, Captain! Aye, Captain!
Oh, no.
This can't be happening.
Oh, yes, it can.
And it just did.
Hook is a codfish, Hook is a codfish.
Now, see here. That's not very nice. Captain has asked you to stop. They're not listening, Captain.
Speed, do something.
Come on, Captain. Back to Neverland. Now, which direction is it from here?
Speed, get me out of here.
Goodbye, Captain Hook!
you say? So, away, away, away I go! Away, 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 come live the life we love. Away, 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 adventures waiting for you.
And that was the pirate show. I really liked it. It was good. I missed it last year, and I saw it like a couple of times on the internet and stuff, like on other vlogs. But you know, seeing it in real life, and I loved it so much. The little bit where Donald was actually throwing a tantrum, that was so cool. I might be able to slot it in here, because I didn't catch it on this camera. I caught it on the on my phone. It was so lovely. It was amazing. I just had a talk to my stateroom host today as well, just this evening, and he said that the rumors that we've been having for the last couple of days about Ponta Delgada, that we wouldn't be able to dock, were true. But apparently, so there were some rumors where we wouldn't be able to dock, and I actually didn't think that there was any you know, truth to those rumors, because the weather looked okay, and I kept looking on the internet, but we don't know what it's like, the undercurrents and stuff, so you know, that's not something that we could find online. Well, not as, you know, amateur meteorologists or whatever you call them. So he said, yeah, we weren't normally going to dock tomorrow, but we are going to manage it because the weather is behaving. So that's really good news. So hopefully that will also mean that we'll have some good news in a few days when we go to Lookout Key. So fingers crossed. So yeah, it's now 8:30ish. Yeah, 20 to 9 actually already. I'm getting tired, but we still have fireworks probably, so I still really want to go and see that. So I'll go and do that, and then go to sleep, because we've got a really early morning wake-up call tomorrow, which is a bit of a shame, but you know, needs must, and we'll just get on with it. I didn't realize that Port Adventures always started so early, but yeah, we'll have to just suck it up. Oh my goodness, I've just come to Vanellope's, and they have like the best cupcakes and stuff. Look at that. Unicorn marshmallow stick, chocolate covered strawberries. I'm in heaven. Now look at these chocolate covered strawberries. They look amazing. I've never been to Vanellope's. This was the first time, but I'm definitely surprised about what they have. Now let's see if they're nice. Let's give that a try. Oh yeah, that is amazing. We still have an hour until fireworks. Let's see if they'll happen.
Ahoy, mateys, and welcome aboard! We'll be pirates! Let everyone be worth your salt and faithful before the mast. Say aye. So I heard you had quite a day's adventure on the ship, but now it's time to do a pirate's revenge. Pirates, yes. Do I have a few of you out there ready to celebrate a pirate's life?
Aye. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We pillage and plunder, we rifle and loot, we dump, we hunt, yo ho. We take out the crown and we go get our loot, we dump, we out, they say ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We go, we how they say ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
Captain Jack!
Hey,
All right.
All we need to take a closer look. Everybody!
This concludes Pirate Night. Oh my goodness, it was so good. I really enjoyed the fireworks. I didn't necessarily enjoy like the pre-show. It was a little bit boring in the end, I would say. They sang a couple of songs and you know, it wasn't really special. I really enjoyed it when Captain Jack Sparrow came off the funnel. That was kind of like a nice moment. We didn't know if he would do it actually because it was really windy. Like you could see his clothes, you know, flutter in the wind. So that was a little bit of a tense moment. But yeah, the fireworks itself, that was amazing. So this was the first time ever that I've seen fireworks on the water or on a boat, basically, because last year we didn't have that. And I'm quite spoiled when it comes to fireworks because obviously, you know, going to Walt Disney World and to Disneyland Paris, you see loads of fireworks and drone shows and everything, so that's quite special. But seeing it, you know, being shot off a boat in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, it's something else. Like, yeah, like, the occasion is so very special. So it was definitely a treat. But in any case, now we need to go to bed. I don't know where the kid is. I think the kid's still out. I did tell him to come home on time because we've got a very early wake-up call tomorrow. Tomorrow we are docking in Ponta Delgada in the Azores, which is part of Portugal. And we booked a port adventure, and we've got this coach trip around the island planned, and we're also going to botanical gardens. They're English gardens apparently, and we're going to some hot springs. and then we'll have a really nice view over the island as well. So that's going to be really cute, I think. And it's a really nice way of exploring the island, because otherwise, yeah, you wouldn't really see much from only the harbor. So I really wanted to go and see the Azores and make sure that I've seen it. And yeah, but it's really early. We have to leave at 8 o'clock already, so it's gonna be a long day. Luckily Disney does room service, breakfast room service, so I've ordered that for 6:30. So yeah, we need to go to bed. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I enjoyed making it. You can tell I am really tired now. Look at me, oh my goodness. I really enjoyed making it. So please, if you like this vlog, thumbs it up. Please subscribe. It's free of charge as well. You just click the subscribe button in our profile. And yeah, the more subscribers we have, the merrier it becomes, and the algorithm loves that. And then we will push to more viewers, and then we can make more vlogs. So that's how it works. So we hope to see you tomorrow, or you know, on the next vlog. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun ride tomorrow, I think. See you later. Bye.